Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to use the almond cow. I love this plant milk making appliance. I use it at least once a week. Very easy to use, well made, and we're gonna make pecan milk. So let me show you how incredibly easy this is. You simply fill the cup up to this. There's a little line in there that says 1 for 1 cup. I like to add just a pinch of salt. You can leave this out if you want. And then you just attach it and turn it. It is that simple. I've put filtered water into the collector cup to the minimum setting because I like mine to be thick. Then you just plug it in and press the button on top. Each cycle goes for 30 seconds. You really only need 1 cycle. Sometimes I do 2 if I'm using something like almonds that have not been soaked. I like to use a spatula. This is such a great hack in order to speed this process up. And look at this delicious pecan pulp. I will link a recipe video below for what you can do with this pulp. Homemade, fresh, preservative-free, no fillers or additives pecan milk. I bought the set that comes with this really cute glass jar so that you can pop this in your fridge. I'm telling you guys, this pecan milk is so good and it has nothing in there except for just a pinch of salt. Cleaning this is very simple. Remember, you cannot fully submerge this, but it is very, very easy to clean. So you simply just rinse everything out. The complete kit that I bought also came with this handy brush so you can get inside of all of the corners of the glass jar. I like to thoroughly dry all the different parts and put a little paper towel in between the different layers. This is just something that I like to do. Some of my other favorite milks to make are coconut milk, oat milk, cashew milk, walnut milk. You can even combine them together for a unique and delicious flavor. There's a link below if you want to save some money and pick one of these up.